Hi, I had a question come in on reading graphical displays of data. This is my code for those of you who are curious how I got this graph. This is just a density function, and I decided to add some labels. Hide that little notice. So I've got labels that tell me air quality index and the proportion of sites with that index. And then this is across the USA in 2024. When 2024 is not over yet, but so far, this is what we got. In particular, this is the ozone levels. I should have added that. Ozone is what we're measuring. Okay. I need to find, let me erase all my ink here. I need to find the center, spread, shape, positioning, and outliers. So I'm going to start with center. Center, I'm looking for like the bulk of my data are like between here and there. And the middle's like here. And so here's 50, this is 25. Halfway between those two is 37, maybe that's 38. And so my center would be about 38. It's an ish because I don't know exactly because I'm reading a graph. And so my center is at about 38. My positioning is from just past 0 to just past 200 and centered around, I already said centered around 38, but I'm really looking at these lines here. So this one, here's 50, this is 75. So that might be 70. And so that would be like my right round is about 70. And I'm going to make my left one, I'm going to eyeball that to be about 20 as an approximation. So if I were looking for the bulk of my data, I would look between 20 and 70. And so that's like my positioning. Clear my ink. Okay. So center spread is the rightmost point minus the leftmost point. So this is like 204 minus 2 would be 202. And so my spread is 202. Center, spread, shape, positioning, and outliers. So shape is me pretending to draw this. So I go up, down, and over is my shape. So like you're picking a general, if you were to sketch this with your pen, what would it look like? So that's my shape. And then outliers are things that are far away. Remember my middle was here-ish? And so my outliers are like everything, I'm going to say like here and beyond. Those are all outliers because they're far away from the middle, right? These are away from the middle, but they're not far away from the middle. Like these are away and then away some more. And so those are outliers. I don't see any outliers on this side because while this is your low point, it's still kind of close to the bulk of my data. And so it's close enough. So center, spread, shape, positioning, outliers based on a graph. So those are my things that I'm looking for. All right. Thank you.